Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, coming from hot and sunny Margate, Florida. And today we got one of the most popular rolling covers out there. You probably see a lot of videos from us on this because it's a very nice cover. But before we get into that, that is our telephone number. If you have questions, just give us a call. We have good answers. That being said, come on, buddy, what do we have here? Well, we got a brand new 2024 Chevy Silverado with the multi-function tailgate here. And what did we put on here? Well, we got the RetraxPRO, which is the old model with the XR rail. I tell you, the Pro is going to be your all aluminum here with a 500-pound capacity and a lifetime warranty. That's a long warranty. Buddy, go swing around this thing so we can see how nice it looks here. I want to make sure everyone sees how sharp this looks on this truck. And I tell you, it is a matte finish here, and it does match all the trim on this truck here. I tell you, I think this is a sharp look, and I like the Pro because it gives you the extra strength here. And that lifetime warranty, that's great. Now, of course, we installed it for this customer, so we're going to give that 1-year labor guarantee on that as well. So let's go ahead and show you how it works. We got a good look on how the cover looks, so let's go ahead and take a look here. Now, this is going to have a dual lock system. Even though there's one lock on top, it actually locks and locks the bottoms here. So let's go ahead and unlock it. Okay. Now, if you look here, you see one here and one there. See how that works? So now, I've seen some cheaper knockoffs out there, the Chinese ones, and what they do, instead of having one lock, they have a lock on both sides, and you have to lock it there and lock it there. Kind of a headache. It's a little easier, just push one side. Now, this is a pressure mount system. Now, this will lock anywhere along the track. So that's one of the nice features on this. It's one of the few covers that are not electric that does this. Now, why is that good? Well, let's say you have a tall item, you want to close the tailgate, you get the cover, you kind of hold it in place there. Now, these aren't designed for someone to go and yank on it. I've seen customers do that. I don't know why. It's strong enough to hold a little bit of weight in the cover. So keep that in mind. It's not designed for a 250-pound guy pulling on as hard as they can. Again, the open and close is real simple. You push a little button, this becomes your handle. Look how nice and easy that is. Now, look inside there. You do see there is room underneath the canister. Now, as you know, we do the drainage system to the sides. Why do we do that and not using the holes in the floor? Well, what happens is you got your luggage. You're getting ready to go on a trip, and you slide your luggage in there, and you knock out the drainage system, and now the water is pouring on your luggage. So when you get to your hotel, you pull out your luggage, and it's soaking wet. We put the drainage system to the side and out of the way. I can always tell an amateur because they'll put it right there on the floor, and it's just a pain in the tush for you because it's always going to be knocked out. So that's why we do it that way. Now, if you look in here, the XR, by the way, only the XR gets these. They get this great setup here. This is one of the better setups. It basically locks in here, and what is this part here? That basically pivots this, so it keeps it nice and straight. So you can adjust it either way. So if you put some racks on it, it tilts in a little bit, you can go in there and readjust it. You can put a level on there, and you can just readjust it to it's perfectly level. Now, if you look around, a lot of the other companies don't have that. That's right, that's what I like about Retrax. Another nice thing about this cover is it's built outside the vehicle. That means we pick it up and put it inside and lock it all down here. Why is that good? Well, I had a guest who he would lease his vehicle every 3 years, and he didn't want to buy a new cover every 3 years. So he would do is basically every 3 years, he'd come back with a new truck, we'd take this out, put it in the new truck, and he just did that 3 times with 3 different vehicles until someone unfortunately rear-ended and broke his cover. But that is a good way of saving some money. You don't have to keep buying new covers. I know it's not good for us, but it's good for you. So again, this is a great product. It's got the lifetime warranty. I know I said that before, but it's so great, I gotta say it again. And again, really easy to use. Even if you're vertically challenged, it's easy to use. I tell you, it locks into place. Oh, by the way, if you look here, what is this around here? Well, in Florida, it's not so important, but it does help you keep some rain from getting into the lock. But up north, if you're getting water in there, of course, it would freeze, so you probably put your key in there, you can't do it. So this keeps Mother Nature, the elements, out of here, which is really nice. I like that a lot. Another nice feature of this is you can use your multi-function tailgate here. No problem whatsoever. And I tell you, again, it's a great feature. I love these tailgates. I think they're a good value, but they're really convenient to use. And again, you don't have to worry about the cover interfering with this. So again, a very nice little setup here. works really good. Now, if you like this product, you can come here, have us install it. We do a very good job. You can see our work. That's what we do the videos. You can see what we do here. Now, if you say, you know what, I don't live in Florida, I wish Buddy or Master Tech could do this for me, but I'm not in Margate, or I'm in another state. Not a problem. We ship it all over the country. So you can have this sent right to your front door. And if you get into the installation and you have some questions, you say, you know, I'm not sure about this, not sure about that, you can call us to the store. You can ask for Buddy, who's behind the camera. You can ask for Joel, myself, John. We're all here with any answers you need for your questions. Because what's nice about C&H, we install. I know there's so many companies out there who are selling this product, but they do not install the product. So they're really not very good at helping you with your questions. You buy from us, you get us. Now, if you go buy from someone else, that's fine, but you can't call us and get all the great answers we have for you. You have to buy from us to get us. And the price is the same. So it's not like you're paying any more or less. You know, you're basically paying the same price, but you're getting us. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories doing a review of the RetraxPRO all metal with the T-Slot XR on a 2024 Chevy Silverado with the multi-function tailgate. Before I go, like and subscribe. Thank you.